Caroline and Sophia is marketed as a women's fashion boutique offering everyday fashion at massive discounts. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this, or are there warning signs you shouldn't ignore? Now, to be fair, Caroline and Sophia appears to be a real operating website that sells clothing online. The site offers hundreds of products and provides standard e-commerce features, such as shipping, returns, and payment processing. What it does well, the website looks professional. At first glance, it resembles many established online fashion retailers. The clothing is visually appealing. Many of the dresses and outfits featured on the site are attractive and trend-focused, where the red flags start appearing. The domain appears extremely new. This is the biggest issue. Independent analysis shows the website domain was created in March 2026 despite marketing that references a 27-year business history. The retirement sale marketing raises questions. Many similar online fashion stores use permanent closing down or retirement sale promotions to create urgency. Independent reputation is limited. There is very little established third-party history available compared with long-standing fashion brands. So, should you buy from Caroline and Sophia? Short answer, proceed carefully. The site appears to be a real online store, not an obvious fake checkout page. However, the combination of a very new domain, limited independent reputation, heavily discounted products, and difficult-to-verify brand history means shoppers should be cautious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.